One thing, crazily insane again, So me I say, get a mad live, mad couple of them too. We have a bad live from Blak Ryno with another bad live from Stark Ashley. You see it? Yeah, the thing up right now. Gear up, buckle up. You see me? Mad thing about for struck. Alright, so Blak Ryno live was a very educational live, very informative on the history. Where Blak Ryno even reveal that a Buju Banton I'm artist to like Cartel. Is it? And this is not a joke thing. Because somehow no might say, well, true Cartel send for Blak Ryno, make him say that. No. Which that far from the truth. You see what I say? Because you don't know people have things in common naturally drawn together, you see it? So I just one of them thing there. I just saw the thing set, you see it? So I'm gonna learn what heap of thing in the Blak Ryno thing, you see it?
I control, Jaja, your feet take control. I was born by the rivers of Jordan. I wanna lose my soul, take control. But no, you never. No, I'm no clap, leave him here. Yeah, father, I'm gonna get some bit. Yeah.
Love bumper them call man.
And I was born by the rivers of Jordan.
But that was song in India. Them put background singers on every dub,
In India?
Yeah, song in Bass Foundation.
Then put what?
If them voices right now, all this is women.
You can't find them that mean them
Bro, assembly.
money on them for you.
That song not easy, man. Bass Foundation. And then they press it up on record, every dub.
We know that I pop them sound forward with them dub sound.
Yeah, man. It's a warm song. Them have some bass amp with a big knob in front. Me say. That a going in India?
And they the book sound. Take a time. Ryan, I represent for life.
You know the key of that song?
I mean, I'm a father J, DJ I. Hear me I send a DJ college, I say bad coolie. Hear me I send a color, hear me I send a Santa Cruz pa. The matic they make skin bun like when ganja blows. Chop mama kick like a ball, I say right hand. Boop boop, violate them get boop boop. Yeah, boop boop, the violate they get boop boop. Before the boop, the nine boop, the 6 months of the tally pass me foot. The fire when you wire by the suit. We like it up and clap it up. We search it boy, we circle them. The drive by car pull up a turny bend. The click ram to the 2 and the 30 them. The place run BGI turn the bend. The rifle a book, watch everything I cook. Father here with the Glock and everything I shook. The violate college and make it kill a look. We search it boy, coffee them. Boop boop. Yeah, a boop boop. Yeah, a boop boop boop. Yeah, a boop boop. This line me that you get boop boop. The 40 boop, and the 9 a boop. The 6 pants of the tally pass me foot. The fire when you wire find a suit. Me like it up and clap it up. Tina Turner, I burner. It a work and a burner, the whirl and a stitch like surgeon. From Persia, them attack like me, and no fear no boy with them murder. A murder for murder, them circle and dirt that. A shake up the place, make it earth flat. We no afraid of no boy on earth, come search boy. Circle them, the drive by car pull up a turny bend. The clip ram to the 2 and the 30 them. The place run from the killer 30 end. The rifle a book, watch everything I cook. Shake the place to the shop and everything I shook. The violate like me, the killer look. The search boy, coffee them. Boop boop boop, a boop boop, a boop boop boop. A boop boop, you violate you get boop boop. The 30 boop, and the 9 a boop. The 6 months of the tally pass me foot. The fire when you wire by the soup. We knock it up and clap it up and boop boop boop.
Rough. I see that style there, and nobody else could claim that style. That's the style, the technique. Nah, the cadence, everything, man.
He's searchy boy. He's searchy.
Yeah, anything.
DJ by car pull up a top. You know what time I talk on rhythm though?
Yeah.
DJ by car pull up a turny bend. The clip ram to the 2 and the 30 them. It's only like 30-10, you know. You
Yeah.
know,
I'm call it 30-10, you
know, 30-10, but a mistake, I just run shit, I never change it back, you know.
Yeah.
But it's really supposed to say the 30 them.
Oh.
Yeah, it's just like
30-10, people gonna ask us the 30-10.
Yeah, so you say, you know, that if they must say, you know, they must ask us the 30-10.
It becomes part of an interview, you know. Nah, me like it, man. You know, watch this. There's a mistake on one of the biggest ganja songs of all time. And you never change it. Watch this. There's a mistake on the song. Same like what you just do there?
Yeah, no, me for change it, but me just keep on a record. Sorry, when I done, I go change it. I'm going to double the song. Sorry, one line, I go change it and just, you know, never change it.
But you can hear a mistake and give me the weed. And never change it.
This one they take to the man of a young ganja boy. I'm a bad job with this man. Herb man from down the Banton. Sing along.
That's a mistake right there.
Is it?
Sing along.
Yeah.
Sing along.
Yeah, it's supposed to sing along. You know?
Sing along. Yeah, sing along.
I'm a bad job with this man.
Sing along.
Herb man from down the Banton. Sing along.
You know, so you're
Give me the weed.
for real.
You know what time play a song I need with that?
Bro, they tell him come down over Jamaica and tell him come fix it.
Fix it.
Him now go back there.
Yeah.
Because when he went, Buju, first of all, Buju not like him because him sound like him. But then time him hot. When Buju come with Bogle, he come with Butterfly, and he never sing a Buju melody. Buju said this man's a threat to me. Because Mega Banton use a melody, right? I've never seen a girl look so pretty. Mega come with, I've never heard a song. And Mega get record deal for that with Sony, you know. So Buju look at it, alright, it might be last name too, Mega Banton. But this fat boy from country, him bad. And 15 number ones, Jigsy get to them. In 2 years now. Wait. Now people think Buju sing them song them now. Same say when they went to voice the song them, the man them sit up on the stairs like this, you know. And block Jigsy from going up the stairs, so Jigsy had a squinch like this, you know. Squinch back. When they must sing some Buju, I watch him, you know. When they must sing the song. Remember this one same rhythm Buju one, you know. What the biggest song on the rhythm, not this? You remember what Buju sing on this rhythm? Nah, this song here.
Good ganja weed. Now wanna burn it up. Give me the weed. Good sense weed. Ganja we know we all yes indeed. Ganja and the
You know, I know some of you, but we think
Yeah! Bro, Buju sound not big like the man sounds, so Buju vex, because this is a Buju producer now. The man say, wait, I'm my producer.
Yeah,
we're not.
Very much so.
Buju vex, that man come on the same rhythm with him, man.
No, no. Just when Mega Banton Delirang Swata, one say me just when I talk about Mega Banton and Delirang Swata coincidence. They big up the greats them, you see it. And then the legend them. You see me? But they all learn history to a history class, me they are student at the same time. You understand? Yeah. Once a Jigsy King a bad artist, hit maker. Yeah dog, I just realize Jigsy King sound like the Gargamel, you see it? Oh my God.
Buju a big song for me and sing.
No, like, we are yard still, before I go Portmore and Spain, I live there, Spanish, I can tell you. Buju a fuck up the place, brother. Every bus, every... Yeah, man, I tell you, anytime you never start laxing, you see me?
But he's got a big song. He's got a bigger song, but same.
Yeah.
Wipe away our sins and all we have done wrong. He that loveth not knowing not God, for my God is love. He was that is who. This one they get to the man of a young ganja boy.
This a jinx. That me and they put a Buju picture, so we would have heard and think about Buju. That me always think about.
Producer Joe for Jinxie, because the man hot.
Me know with the dog that try create controversy for the reading, for both reading, it doesn't matter. No man, the dog that create controversy for the reading.
Yeah, but the Buju voice and news for the reading for Jinxie King song.
Jinxie have the same voice, huh?
Yeah. You want that song Jinxie, man?
Alright.
My next song with Jinxie, because I always say about Jinxie King. You know, I always wonder which song.
One of the nicest artists you
I don't even know say me know a dog song name, eh?
One of the nicest artists you meet in your life, Jinxie King. Jinxie King songs, let me see what I'm out there.
Okay, roll the so